find a similar thing online, so I thought it is a good idea to share how I design and 3D print a custom frame for aggressive skates in order to fit 100mm wheels. Here we are in Fusion 360. The first thing I did was trying to mimic the frame mount from the boot. From there, I was able to properly place the holes for the screws that will fix the frames into the boot. Then I included a number of components, especially the wheels, to work like also the bearings, some bearings, and especially the wheel spacers. These wheel spacers are very important components as they make part of the precise fit the wheels have against the frames. At the end, the frame is the only part I had to print. I have broken it into a few parts so I can print it in my Ender 3 version 2. Here we have all the pieces fully 3D printed. We have the two big parts of the frame body, a couple of internal reinforcements, the orange ones, for the internal section, and also a few external pieces, the black ones, that serves as external reinforcements and also to give the frames their own visual character. In order to glue the main parts, I used carbon fiber. The rest of the plastic parts were glued using only epoxy resin. In the picture, you can see my effort to keep all the parts together during 24 hours required for the resin to cure. Finally, the first frame was fully cured. Fortunately, it feels strong. A little rough, to be honest, but it should be ready to be tested. This is the first try I did at home. The frame held it very well. The wheels felt great. This image speaks by itself. You can see the tremendous difference in the wheels between the stock 72mm aggressive wheels against the 100mm new wheels. The real world difference in the way the skates work with the new set of wheels is very noticeable. Now let's go and fully assemble everything so we can give them a real world test.
Their faces when they thought they'd break us. We were ready for the earthquake.
Pump up the bass line. Pump the Pump up the. Pump up.
Emilia, how are you doing? Are you doing are you doing well with the rollers? Are you doing well with the rollers? How long have you been rolling today? How many kilometers? 6 kilometers. And how are you feeling? Very tired? Your hips probably are hurting, right? Okay, let's go. You still have like 5 kilometers. Probably 4. Between 4 and 5. Okay? Well, today I'm taking a chance to try these new frames for my aggressive skates. Designed and 3D printed. Made entirely of plastic and, well, a little bit reinforced with carbon fiber. Well, I think I have been rolling with this for around probably 7 kilometers. You're doing really good. And actually the 100 millimeters wheels works really well for keeping the position and the effort in a low level. You know, you can roll with not that much effort like in the regular aggressive wheels, so that is wonderful. That is the whole purpose of this. So also taking a chance to join my daughter on Sunday.
Pump up the bass line. Pump up the.
Well, I will call this project a success. Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next one.